Hello everyone, welcome to Betty Academy. Our job is to make school easier. Kindly subscribe, watch, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the differences between for-profit and non-profit organizations. Have you ever wondered what exactly is the difference between for-profit and non-profit organization? As suggested by their names, it is easy to understand that the main difference is connected with the profits of these organizations. However, it has nothing to do with whether they make profit or not, but rather with the following. So when you look at our summary here, we have the first one, which is the purpose. So when you look at the purpose, all organizations have a purpose, but one of the biggest differences profit versus non-profit organizations have lies in the fact that for-profit organization primary mission is to generate profits for personal fulfillment. They do this by creating and selling products or services. On the other hand, the main goal of a non-profit organization is to make profits for serving society. They promote a social cause by offering assistance with basic human needs. Non-profits aim to attack challenges and solve important issues such as alleviating poverty, providing education, food and water, assisting with housing, protecting endangered species, or the environment, etc. So when you go to the second one, we are looking at the funding. Where do they derive their funds from? So providing funds is the basis of all successful operations and projects. The seed capital of for-profit organization is provided by the founders or business owners, by bank loans, investors, and revenues generated from sales of their products and services. Non-profit organizations use a different approach. They seek both private and corporate donations of time, material, products, and money. Government grants are also used for funding their operations of non-profits together with crowdfunding. The third point is the target audience. When looking at for-profit versus non-profit organizations, the diversity of the audience is another key difference. While for-profit businesses have a more precisely defined target audience, that is usually not the case with non-profits. While for-profit organizations try to establish a relationship with clients who buy their products and services in order to generate revenue, the non-profit ones seek to reach a more diverse audience, including volunteers, corporate sponsors, donors, and the general public. Therefore, non-profits need to take into account the different interests of each segment of their audience. So the other point is about the management. When you look at the management, a profit organization can be a privately held business or a large corporation with boards and stakeholders. Responsibilities are distributed among individuals or groups that takes part in the financial success of the business. Since for-profits are primarily focused on increasing revenue, not only do these for-profit leaders share responsibilities, but they often share financial incentives. Non-profits, on the other hand, are mostly led by trustees, a board of directors, or committee members that do not have direct financial ownership. Their main concern is not about financial success, but about social and or environmental issues. The other point, number 5, we have the organizational culture. For-profit versus non-profit organizations differentiate in their organization cultures. Since for-profits tend to focus on the financial gain, they value employees who contribute to the creation of new products and services, as this can help increase revenue. Non-profit organizations, on the other hand, are community-oriented. Their employees are often seen supporting the cause outside their regular schedule, attending events, or handing out informative and educational resources to local businesses in the evenings or on weekends. Let's go to the last point, which is taxation. Since for-profit companies make profits for their own benefits, they have to pay taxes as required by the law. However, non-profit organizations are exempted from paying taxes as they make profits to help society. In addition, individuals and businesses that donate to non-profits can claim tax deductions. If an organization is a non-profitable entity, that does not mean it cannot be profitable. Just like for-profit organizations, the non-profit ones very often have the same approach to generating revenues and increasing profits with the aim of creating more programs or improving the existing ones. However, the difference between a for-profit and non-profit organization is that the latter is required to reinvest any profit in pursuit of its purpose. So that's the end of our lesson. Kindly watch out for our next video. Bye.